Sunshine again, as promised. I'm out in the countryside having a countryside walk, but also on my way to fill up the little bird bath, pond, well, whichever it may be. A welcome sight in this heat for the birds and the animals, so yeah. And it's a lovely walk through Leafy's wood. As normal, I'll be feeding the birds as well, so, and hoping to get back pretty early so that I can have my Sunday day of rest. This is resting though. Nothing more resting than a nice casual walk through the countryside with all this bird songs and animal sounds and nature sounds. Yeah. It's pretty early as well. It's 8 o'clock sharp again. I thought I'd get out early. I did say I was going to be doing some early morning shifts, but I'll be doing even earlier ones. 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Well used to that when I was on the river, doing my river bailiffing. We were out the whole night sometimes. But yeah, you see some great sights early in the morning. Sights that you'll not see during the day when the midday heat's there. This is us just approaching the gorse bush where the bird bath is, that I placed in yesterday, made out of an old kitchen hand basin. Lovely. Recycling at its best. But you can see this gorse bush is thickly grown, so I made a good decision to place it at the edge, well inside, but at the edge of the gorse bush and in the shade. Anyway, let's go and fill it with water. Get them out my bag. I think I've got about 6 litres here. Keeps you fit though. Uphill to Leafeys, hill all the way. Keeps you fit. Now with this heat, I'll need to keep topping this up every second or third day. And just supposing a deer comes along, a roe deer, and drinks quite a bit of it, so I will have to keep topping it up. Not that I mind, don't mind at all, but it'd be even better that when the rain showers come, because the rain will just top it up naturally. But I'll keep an eye on it. I'll see when it's needing topped up and just fill it up again. Simple. Yeah, it's taking lots of water, as I expected. Now, it'll be very interesting to see what animals come to it, because I know the fox will have a drink at it as well, because he has a track that comes up this way. Oh, yesterday, I forgot to tell you, I came across one of the pheasants, and he was limping very, very badly. I think he's had a run-in with the fox. It's normal what happens when you see a pheasant limping. The fox has usually grabbed its legs and it's got away and it's had some damage to the legs, so I'll need to keep an eye on him. I seen him flying into Leafy's wood yesterday, but limping beforehand. I had a little bit of a film of him. Keep an eye out for him. That should be enough water for the now and here in the basin. So yeah, that was 6 litres of water that it took. So another couple of litres tomorrow morning I'll bring just to top it up again. But this should do for now, and as you can see, there's ample drinking water there for all the animals and the creatures of the forest. Lovely. This will take a good couple of days anyway, maybe a week, to settle in and for the birds to get used to it. So yeah, I'll set up the camera though just shortly just to see, because I'm going to go and feed the birds up at the witch's tree, so I'll put the camera down just to see if anything goes near it while I'm away. Give them peace to get used to it, as they would say. I'll put some seed round about to attract them in at first, and then yeah, but they'll get well used to it. They're well used to me now. So, but they've been keeping a watchful eye on me, as you seen in yesterday's film. Birds and animals are very, very curious and nosy, want to know what you're up to. So they know they've had all night to get used to this, so they'll have been inspecting it. Yeah, great little project. Right, let's get up to Mrs. Mouse's house tree to start with, give them some seed, and then we'll make our way back and see if we've got any captured on film of any birds going near the little bird bath. Now, where's that seed? Well, 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 look at this. Would you credit it? A visitor to our bird bath straight away. I think this is a little wren, you know. Not even put the water in half an hour and it's got its first visitor. That's amazing. I hope this is good things to come, you know. Lovely. I think we're going to have a good summer filming this little bird bath, day and at night time. I'd love to see what nighttime visitors would come and visit it. But yeah, that's a total success. Little wren came straight away to the bird bath. Lovely. A successful project.